Okay, so I am going to do a pretty blue flower that I like, and it's just having blossoms with lots of color. So I'm going to go between two colors here. If you have the double loader, that helps you. This is my one stroke brushes, and it's a value pack. All right, and I'm using floating medium, folk art multi-surface, and a white. And I'm using cobalt, and these bottles are smaller bottles, 2 ounce bottles. All right, and I have Prussian blue right here. All right, so what's going to happen is I want you to see that I work this in. So I want all the colors in between the cobalt and the white. All right, I'm going to try it without medium and see if we need medium. But I'm going to come out here and come back. Now, I'm going to put this over here so you can see it. I'm going to keep coming here to pick up the white, okay? So I'm just going to put this all out here so I see where I'm going, all right? So I'll get a little bit of medium, okay? So what's going to happen as I come here, I'm going to come back, all right? So as we're doing this one, you can come a little bit further out. Okay. So when we're just doing this, just want to show you about layering and how to get these colors that you need. All right. So we're going to come right here up to a point, pressure, and then lift up. Okay. I can dip a little bit of medium. Just make sure you work this in. All right. So what I'm going to do is out here. All right. Now I'm going to do some dark back here. So I flip the brush, and this is going to be down here on the bottom ones. Okay. Okay, so they're up underneath and you would see it darker, of course. All right. All right, now what I want to do is I'm going to pick up right in here the cobalt and Prussian and get that blue in the back, okay? All right, so now I'm going to come right in here. Okay. All right. Okay, let's get more white. See, I'm coming out. Now watch what happens. I stroke next to the white. I'm coming up, back down, pressure, and stand up. Okay. Come right back here and pick up more white. Okay, I know that's glowing pretty much. There we go. I don't know why it's glowing that bad. Okay. All right, see how I'm sliding back a little bit different? All right, so when I'm here, I can roll this a little bit, come down, pressure, and lift up. So it gives you a little bit of a twist in your petals. So I think the black's doing as a neon thing here. All right. So I'm going to come right here. See how I do a little bit of a roll there? Okay. You want to get a little fancier in here. A little bit back here. A little bit back here. All right. I'm going to take a little bit. Just trying to get it where it's looking okay for you. All right, so I want you to just see all those layers of what we're accomplishing. So you're going to come down. And we push down hard and stand up. Okay. But then when we turn it around the other way, all right. So look what happens here. You can come from here. Push, push, pull up. Okay. Right. So then what's happening? You could also have fun little, I'm rotating this on the cobalt so that just the white, see, doing a few little petals like that. All right. So in the middle, we want a little bit of white. This is just showing you how to layer petals to get a pretty look. All right. I'm going to heat this up a minute because I want to show you. This is a heat pan. It's on my website. It's great for glass and metal, or if you're trying to get the center dry. And so it's a heat pan, so you got to keep it moving so it doesn't blister. I've only had that won't happen one time, but I'm very cautious of it now. All right, so I'm going to come in here and get white. Roll the brush. Okay. Now I'm going to take and touch and pull. I like to put my finger to steady me. Oops. Look, I just did. Gotta fix that. The beautiful thing is that you can just pick up more paint and restroke it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to touch and pull. All right. And I can use some dark blue. So this is a 2 script liner. All right. And then what I want to show you is that I can take, that was a 16 I was using. I don't know. I forget if I told you that. But I want to take floating medium on this 8, and I'm going to come under here and get side load depression. All right. And then I'm going to take you in here and come out here. So look how rich that looks. When you're coming in here, you come right in there and come right under here. Oh, right in here is where I just restroked it, so it's kind of wet. Okay. See how that just gave some depth in there? All right. I can come a little bit more. So practice petals. I want you to see that you can build any flower you want by looking at the petals and figuring out how each one of those petals are stroked. Okay. So, and then you can come back and float. Try it. You'll like it. Okay. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know whenever I'm on. Thank you.